Hi, I'm Junior, Keystone RV Center. Today we're going to be talking about this new Flagstaff Superlight, but we've got these cool new entrance steps. Now you're going to see these on a lot of products out on the market nowadays. The big thing is getting them set correctly. You have two little pins at the bottom here, and if it's too far in, it's going to actually press down against the metal J-wrap here, but if it's too far up, you're not going to be able to shut your door correctly. So what you want to do is get it so it's seated against this aluminum tread here, nice and flush, and then I'm going to adjust my legs off of that. And I'll usually go up to the next nearest hole rather than down. That usually works pretty good. We'll put one more on this one. You want to obviously do this after your camper's leveled. There we go. Nice sturdy step for us. Definitely beats the old setup we used to have. Guys, you have any questions, comment down below. Give us a call, 1-800-232-3279. Have a great day.